So hello folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Word to Excel. So first of all you have to open Chrome and type on the search bar Word to Excel converter. Now you have to go on this website online to PDF. Click on the website and select the desired file you want to convert to Excel. For example, I'm uploading this one. You can see here. Now click on convert. Now it is converting the file into Excel. You can see here the MS Word file is converted to MS Excel. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one.